How to fix create list not showing on WhatsApp in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open App Store and then search here WhatsApp. Now click on WhatsApp. Now here you can check your WhatsApp update. Make sure you update your WhatsApp. If it doesn't update your WhatsApp, then here you can see the option update. Then click on update and then update your WhatsApp. After update your WhatsApp, then go back to your screen and your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. After clicking on iPhone storage, then scroll down and find WhatsApp. Now click on it. And if you want to fix this problem, then simply click on offload app. Now again click on offload. After offload your WhatsApp, then reinstall app. After install it, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.